lot of new faces are appearing in Nollywood, and one of them is Gen Z's favorite, Chike Dike, a talented actor who was born into a family where both parents are pastors, but he chose a different path. Let us take a look at Chidi Dike's career so far as he continues his rise to the top. Chidi Miracle Dike, popularly known as Chidi Dike, is a Nollywood actor, model, and TV personality. He hails from Abia State, Nigeria, and was born on the 29th of June 1990. Chidi completed both his primary and secondary school education and obtained his first school leaving certificate and West African Senior School certificate in Abia State. After completing his secondary school education, Chidi proceeded to Abia State University, where he obtained a bachelor's degree in theatre arts. Afterwards, Chidi relocated to Lagos to pursue his acting career as he has developed a passion for acting at a tender age, but he waited to complete his education before pursuing his dreams.
Who's talking to you? Before I close my eyes and open them. You! Out! Out! Kelvin.
Dad, I was just here celebrating with my friends.
Celebrating? What?
Success of my exams, Dad.
What success?
Just the jam result is out. It's out.
Oh. What did you score?
80. I scored 80.
Wait. 80?
Yes. 80. 80.
Kelvin, you scored 80
Yes.
out of 400 and you are celebrating. What's wrong with you? Huh? 80 out of 400?
Dad, like you forgotten the last time it was 48. Now it's 80. Massive improvement.
Chidi joined the Nigerian movie industry professionally in 2013 when he appeared in his first film, The Last Dance, and he rose to fame after starring in several other Nollywood movies. With his interesting and attractive performances, he has become one of the most sought-after actors in Nollywood. He has starred in over 50 Nollywood movies alongside top celebrities like Ruth Kadiri, Lizzie Gold, Ken Eriks, Mary Sam, and others. He is known for his philanthropic attributes as he has supported causes related to education, health, and helping young people. He often takes part in charity events and initiatives.
I've been through several traumatic moments in my life. Betrayal, rejection. I've seen all forms of lies and deceit. Ella, I know pain. Ella, I know pain. Until you came into my life with a flicker of hope and a beam of joy. But what? No, but what? It was all a manipulation. Ella, you manipulated me. Ella, you manipulated me. You took advantage of me. In my head, I do not want to see you again. I do not want to have anything to do with you. Nothing. But what does my heart say? My heart disagrees. Because the desire to be with you is greater than the pain that wants you gone.
Dad, I am sorry. I did not have any bad intentions. I didn't mean to manipulate you. I just wanted to help. Look, all I want is your forgiveness, please. Please.
Fine. I forgive you. I want you to go in there,
No.
pack your things, and get out.
Currently, when it comes to acting a romantic role in Hollywood, Chidi Dike is definitely among the top name on every director's list, especially in movies that is relatable to the Gen Z audience because of his good look, which is pleasing to the ladies. And if the ladies are for you, who will be against you? This, in addition to his talent and acting prowess, has led him to appear in numerous Nollywood movies, which includes Better Half, In Body and Soul, Happiness for Two, Forever, Love Me Like I Do, Mannerless, Boys to Men, Capture My Heart, A Touch of You, 10 Reasons Why, and many more in his short career so far.
Yes, who are you?
Uh, Hi, my name is Jaden. I'm here to see Chelsea.
Of course, you're here to see Chelsea. Well, Chelsea is not around. You know what? She's never around anyway, so come back later.
Can I just like wait for her inside?
Excuse me, are you alright? Would you let a total stranger into your house?
Like I'm her.
Oh, please save it. I am not interested. Call her or wait for her.
I'm her brother.
You know, sometimes I wonder what exactly is wrong with you. Because, so upon all my plea, you still left my brother standing outside for hours. God, you're so wicked and mean.
Look, next time you learn the art of communication. I mean, who would he cause you to inform me about his coming, eh? Will that cost you anything?
Oh, so you expect me to inform you about all of my activities? As what? My mother? You must be sick in the head. See, don't try this the next time. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Please, calm down, okay? I'm sure whatever difference you two have, we can settle it and make a play without fighting.
And who asked for your opinion here? Oga, please shut up your mouth. What is it?
Sophia, no. I will have you throw all your shit at me, but I will not stand here and watch you talk to my twin brother like that. I'm going to tear into pieces. I'm going to...
Calm down, okay? It's fine. I'm okay. Don't worry.
Look, I will no longer let you bring in irresponsible men here that will be creeping around me when you are not around. So please, I beg you with the name of God, keep him away from me.
Yo, sis, what does she mean by irresponsible men?
You're listening to that fool.
Off the screen, Chike Dike keeps a low profile. He said being raised in a humble home where his parents are pastors really shaped him into who he is. As for those waiting to know if he's in a relationship, Chide revealed in an interview that he's currently single, and he announced he prefers sexual abstinence and would love to marry as a virgin. So for anyone crushing on him, crush with a moral heart.
I brought water for you. I don't know if
Did I ask you to bring water for me? Did I ask you? Why are you even calling my name? How dare you call my name? Now get your bloody slutty self out of my sight! Did I ask you to get water for me? How dare you even call my name? Huh?
Trust me, it's not
Oh wow! Listen, get out of my sight before I forget my hands on your face! Get out!
Just listen to me.
Get out!
Enough!
Boss, get out!
Enough! What's going on here? Enough! Enough of that nonsense. Now get out. Eric, I have been waiting for you to personally instruct yourself as to what to do. But you don't want to do that. Leave Amanda alone. If you touch her, you have me to contend with. And by the way, why don't we treat this maturely and then everybody will move on with their lives? Why don't we do that? Huh?
You're so impeccable.
Chike Dike is a full-time entertainer. Apart from acting, he also makes money from modeling and brand influencing. Dipping into the stuff he put online, it is feasible he's living his dream. However, a certain figure cannot be put out to be his exact net worth.
Dad.
Yes.
Yes. Can I talk to you?
Sit.
Dad, please, I'm sorry. Okay,
Sorry about what?
what I'm about to tell you now, it, it's a very hard pill for you to swallow that.
What is it? Look.
So that you can tamper justice with mercy. I got Laura pregnant.
You know, I'm studying the Bible, so I actually didn't understand what you were saying, but you... Oh, no, it was one of those pranks. Stop this.
No, that this is not a prank. I'm very serious. I got Laura pregnant. I love her so much, Dad. I love Laura, and we've been dating for a while. I love her so much, Dad. That's why I'm here to tell you, so you could use your church mind and your office as the pastor to for.
Look. How could you get Laura pregnant? How could you do this to me, to destroy the reputation I built over a long time? Do you know how long it's taking me to build, conserve, and preserve this reputation? Look, how will I stand at the pulpit and preach repentance? How will I counsel young people about chastity, Luke?
Please,
Look, how will I do it? How?
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it to happen, Dad. Please. Dad.
Look, if you know where you took your bath, go and collect your clothes. Clean up this mess by yourself and don't involve me.
When Chidi was asked where he sees himself in the next 5 years, he responded by saying he wants to become a household name in Nigeria and beyond. That is definitely an achievable feat, and we all are rooting for him.